Rach, on paper, us getting married is somewhat predictable. But in reality, being up here is shocking to me. I say this because at the beginning of our relationship, you gave every indication that you had absolutely no interest in me. You delayed our first Zoom date by 45 minutes because you had a happy hour for a job that you had already left. The first time I was at your apartment, you gave me a sip from your water bottle and told me to keep it, clearly implying you did not want to drink from the same cup. Yet you kept agreeing to go out with me. There were two possibilities. Either you were concocting the most intricate games and mind tricks in the history of dating, or you were the most genuine person I know. I love you, and thanks for marrying me. It's a big win.